This is our Figma design and this is what went live. Notice the difference? Sometimes all your tests pass, but the UI still has changes. Maybe the spacing looks off, an element's a bit misplaced, or a section doesn't quite match the design. What if AI could catch those differences automatically, straight from a Figma design? Hey everyone, welcome back to JKC Tutorials, and today we are using Playwright MCP Server and Claude Desktop to perform visual regression testing using a Figma design as the baseline. It's a simple but powerful way to bring agentic AI into your QA workflow. I have already shown the full setup in my earlier videos, from installing the Playwright MCP server to connecting the Claude Desktop. You'll find those links down below in the description. In this demo, we'll share a Figma link as our baseline. Let Claude capture a fresh screenshot of the live site and then ask it to visually compare both automatically. Alright, with the Playwright MCP server already running and connected to Claude Desktop, let's jump straight into the prompt. In this prompt, we'll share a Figma link as our baseline and ask Claude to capture a new screenshot of the live site for comparison. You can find all these prompts in my GitHub repo. Link is in the description. We first navigate to the Figma URL and take a screenshot of the Figma design. Once the Figma design is captured and stored as the baseline image, we then move on to the actual website. In the actual website, now we capture the screenshot of the page wherein we can see the search bar. Once both the screenshots are available, Claude then analyzes and compares the Figma design and the actual implementation. In the UI comparison report, both the matching elements and the key differences found are mentioned. The matching elements are the logo design, the search input box, the overall layout, and the hamburger menu icon. In key differences found, the first major key difference highlighted is the search button color. This we had manipulated. In Figma design, we had purposely kept it as black, and the actual website had blue search button, and it is clearly highlighted by Claude as well here that this is a significant visual difference for the color emphasis. There are other visual differences as well, like the search box border styling, the menu icon styling, the overall page structure are different in both. But the most significant difference is the search button color, change from black to blue. So the test that we had planned is actually been validated correctly by Claude and Playwright MCP. This turns your QA pipeline into an agentic system where AI actively monitors every visual change before it even reaches production. So that's how you can use Claude Desktop, Playwright and Figma together for agentic visual testing. No manual screenshots, no pixel by pixel comparisons. It's a glimpse into how QA is evolving, where AI doesn't just assist, it actually takes action for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and comment below which tool you'd like to see next.